Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a Clyde Challenor Custom knife right over here with me. I've got the Viper. I'm gonna check out the look, the sound and the feel, guys. You know what you can do? You can check out Fablades.com. You can check out the comment section. You can check out at Fablades on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think about this fella. It's a gorgeous one. South African custom made by Challenor. Clyde Challenor, it's a Viper. Here you have all the information in this pretty cool certificate of authenticity. And here you have your, look at this front flipping action going on over here. Look at that. A little bit of fingerprints going on this satin blade, but anyways, this is a beautiful one. Check this out. It has 9 centimeters for the blade and 11.5 for the handle, for an overall length of 20.5 centimeters for this beautiful front flipper. You're gonna see some grease coming out. Like if I flip it like that, you see it's just, I just loaded, looped it, cleaned it up. It is fantastic. The action is fantastic now. So there's a lot of things going on, little cool things. First of all, I mean, closed immediately you see something's going on, like with these screws over here, with this pivot, the inlet. A lot of little details are going on. Let's check them out. So this is a custom knife made in South Africa. The price, I think, is around $900. That's the ballpark for this front flipping beauty. This is a blue dark matter carbon fiber inlay with a chamfered and screwed from the inside screw, replicated on the back, different shape for the inlay, of course. You get a little bit of chamfering going on the outside. On the inside there is no internal skeletonization. You're gonna see these are full weight titanium slabs. You have these 3 distinctive fullers, grooves going on at the bolster area, which are creating some complexity going on over here. Pretty unique inlay, probably not my favorite design, like shape of the inlay. I would have done something maybe more along the edges of the handle, but it's all right. What is beautiful is just like the construction. Very simple, 2 screws, 1 pivot, 1 handle screw, which are captive. These are oval shaped, and it's a clever solution to an old problem. So you get these Chicago screws right over here, which are keyed in, not spinning, and it's fantastic. You're gonna need 1 T10, I believe, and you're set. That's a fantastic thing if you like to maintain, disassemble, take care of your knives, opening them up. Then you get some nice chamfering going on, a couple of finger grooves, which gives like a pretty nice and comfy feel into the hand. You have a tip-up carry only. It's not really deep carry pocket clip, but it's hidden hardware, titanium, has the same finish of the handle, and it works pretty well. There's some stiffness, and you see the area here, it's like flat. I don't know if you can see right over there, but it works. You have a stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the inside with a beautiful chamfering on the end of the screw. You have an internal cut out relief for this lock bar, which contributes to keep a clean design on the back. The clip, you can't put it on the show side. It's just going to be for, it's not ambidextrous, and it's a pretty cool one. I like it. Follows, you see the lines of the handle, and it's nice. You get some over travel lock bar stabilizer, which is integrated into the stainless steel lock face insert, which is a nice thing, and it's very well made, guys. This is a pretty cool thing. You get a snappy action. This thing is running, of course, on bearings, and I mean, this is just crazy. You get a very cool drop point blade with a hand rub satin finish, hollow grind, progressive jimping. You see, it just starts slowly up to this point, and then it just constant, right? But this is very effective, very grippy. I like it. Much more grippy here than here. Here is a little bit more slippery, but still, it's very good. And also, it works very well right over here, being this fine with the with the thumb, of course, and of course it's gonna work very well with the index finger like that for the deployment. Very, very cool jimping going on. You get to see a little bit of chamfering, perfectly centered blade, can't snag the tip of the blade, so safely recessed. It's a nice one. You want to see maybe how thick is this guy? Let's zero this thing down. You have a 3.75 millimeter for the blade stock, and you get something like 0.3 millimeter for this thickness behind the edge, which is super slicey. This is a fantastic one, guys. This is M390 steel, so you're pretty much good to go. And the finish is just very, very nicely done, very finely rubbed blade. You get pretty cool sound indeed, tinking and clanking and tink and clank. So it's pretty good sounding knife. Let's check the weight on this fella. You get no internal milling, so that's going to reflect a little bit into the weight, 109.2 grams, which equals to, I just shut it down. Don't worry, guys, let's do this. You want to know in ounces? No problem. This is grams, 109.2 in ounces, 386. So it's under 4, well contained. It's still good. Also, what is good is the ergos, guys. So there's something very special about this one because these are front flipper. So you're gonna be doing like this, and then basically magically this knife just falls in place. If you do it like that, like so, you're gonna have to do a little bit more adjustment like that, okay? But if you're like this, like that, and it's naturally there. It's something really hard to explain. Also, what is beautiful about this knife is that you can just thumb flick it. I'm not sure if you can, yeah, reverse flick, no, because there's no nail nick. But here, whew, every day, you can just thumb flick this thing. There's no thumb stud, so that's a fantastic thing, beside the front flipping action, which is very nice. Also, you have a very controlled, smooth drop shot, which is contributing to the overall experience of this knife. Very, very good grip, good accessibility to the lock bar to disengage. There's really not so many hot spots from the pocket clip, so it's pretty good. You have some good bearings going on, nice and snappy detent. This is a fun one, guys, for sure. So, really, love this fella. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.